Hi everyone. In today's class, I'll do one problem from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This is from the topic direct proportion and indirect proportion. See, first let me explain what is direct proportion. Two quantities are said to be directly proportional if on increase or decrease of one quantity, the other also increases or decreases to the same extent. That means, see, suppose I am giving you one example. The cost of one pen is rupees 10. What is the cost of 10 pens? Definitely it will be more. Am I right? Because if the number of pens increases, definitely the cost of pens also increase. So they are said to be in direct proportion. Am I right? The cost of 10 pens is 10 into 10 rupees 100. Am I right? That is only direct proportion. See, next one, inverse proportion, indirect or inverse proportion. Two quantities are said to be indirectly proportional if an increase of the one makes the other decreases to some extent, to same extent. Am I right? See, during the morning time you are going to school. If you go faster, the time will be less. Am I right? You will reach the school within short period of time. If you are going slowly, then it will take more time. Am I right? So, this will be in indirect proportion. If the speed increases, time decrease. If the speed decreases, time will increase. They are in indirect proportion. Okay, let us do this sum. If 42 persons consume 144 kilogram of wheat in 15 days, then in how many days will 30 persons consume 48 kilogram of wheat? That is a question. See, so for that we have to write first, I am taking the number of days be x. First, number of persons. Okay, I am making one table like that. Then, weight of wheat. Weight in kg. Next, number of days. Okay, 42 persons consume 144 kilogram of wheat in 15 days. Next, 30 persons consume 48 kg of wheat in how many days? That is a question. I am taking the number of days be x. See, 42 persons are consuming the wheat for 15 days. 42 persons, 15 days. If the number of persons decreases, definitely the number of days will increase. Am I right? So they are in indirect proportion. If more persons are there means they will consume the wheat more. Am I right? Then it will come for less days only. If less persons are there means the number of days will be more. So that will be in indirect proportion. Number of persons and number of days are inversely proportional, indirect proportion. So, if they are in inverse proportion, you have to write the fraction as it is, 42 by 30. Okay, next consider about wheat and the days. I am comparing these two quantities. If 144 kilogram of wheat is there, they are keeping for 15 days. If 48 kilogram, less kilogram of wheat is there, then the number of days will be less only. Am I right? If more weight of wheat is there means they will keep it for long time. If less kilogram of wheat is there, then they will keep it for less number of days only. So it will be, they are in direct proportion. If they are in direct proportion, weight and days are in direct proportion. So you have to write the reciprocal of this fraction. Then 15 is there. As it is, you have to write. Again, I am repeating. Less persons, more days. Less persons, more days. Am I right? So, number of persons and days, they are indirect proportion. Next, less sweet, number of days will be less only. If weight is less, so less days. Both are decreasing, no? So direct proportion. If direct proportion means you have to write down the reciprocal of this. Okay. Indirect proportion means as it is you can write. Okay. Now let us do cancellation. 12 is going here 4 times. Here 12 12s are. 6 is going here 7 times. Here 5 6 are 30. 5 is going here 3 5s are 15. Then this 4 is going here 3 times. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So number of days will be 7 days. So correct option is B option, 7 days. Thank you.